Hello students, today we will be doing chapter 1.6, the alchemy of nature. Now, what do you mean by alchemy of nature? Please students take pencil in your hand. Alchemy means magic. Magic, chamatkar of nature. Nature means prakriti. Yes? Now, we will go to the warming up exercise. Rearrange the good qualities in each set so that the first letter of each of the words should make a meaningful word. Join the sets and get a message. Yes, you have to get some message which will help us. Understanding, adaptable, tolerant, neat, encouraging, resourceful. Who it is? Nature. You'll arrange, you will get a word Nature. Nature. Selfless, inspiring. Is. Youthful, modest. My. You will get a meaningful word. Affectionate, compassionate, empathetic, earnest, honest, reliable, trustworthy. It is teacher. You arrange the words. You will get a word teacher. Now what message do you get if you see nature is my teacher? Read it. Nature is my teacher. Okay. Now activity 2. Various aspects of nature have been special features to make them differ from one another. Now, for example, birds. Appearance, shape, color, size, food habits, habitat, sound. Write such special features of each of the following. Now land. Land means Jameen. Now land, is it same everywhere? No. So some land, mountains, plains, plateaus. Okay, you can write it. Water, fresh water, salty water. Yes, then river water, you can write. Trees, size, shape and what? Greenery. Okay. Animals, wild animals, domestic animals, herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals. Yes, herbivorous means जो घास फूस खाने वाले, carnivorous which eat the flesh of other animals. Insects, structure, harmful, flying, which flies, some insects fly, some insects don't fly. Now, activity 3, make a list of living creatures in alphabetical order. You can write more than one beginning with the same letter. Okay, how many you know? Now, for example, A, ant, one is compulsory. Okay, now for B, you can write butterfly. C, you can write cat. You can write camel. D, you can write deer. You can write dog. Yes. E, elephant. F, frog. G, giraffe. You can write. Okay, till Z you have to write. Now, going to the lesson. Alchemy of nature. Alchemy, as I told you, is magic. Jadoo, chamatkar. Nature, prakriti. Okay. Now you know alchemy also is a scientific process where common metals are supposed to be turned to gold. But till now, it's not been practical. Now going to the first 4 lines written by William Blake. It is a poem written by William Blake. To see a world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wild flower, whole infinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour. Written by William Blake, a great poet who is a poet of nature. Now the meaning of this particular lines. Something as tiny as a grain of sand, so small grain of sand, can spark off an idea or imagination of a huge significance to the world. Now sometimes small ideas give rise to big inventions. You'll know. One can witness and experience the beauty of heaven in something as small as a wild flower and derive joy forever. Now I was talking about a grain of sand. Students, you might have seen Krishna serial. Yes? Krishna, Shri Bhagwan Krishna, छोटे रहते हैं. That time what happened? मिट्टी खाता है. He eats mud. Mother shouts, open your mouth. When he opens his mouth, what is there inside the mouth? Full universe. पूरा ब्रह्मांड दिखता है. So that shows this small mud. Yes, this mud is the part of the full universe. Yes, यानी एक मिट्टी का कण जो है ब्रह्मांड का एक हिस्सा है, छोटा सा हिस्सा. And heaven in a beautiful flower, wildflower. You see wildflowers growing on the roadside. Yes, who has planted it? No one. It is natural, nature, God, heaven. We see the beauty of heaven, the beauty of God. Forever, only one should have the eyes and time to see it, and one should have the eyes. You should know, appreciate beauty. Yes, and you should have time to observe nature. Infinity is endless space, but your small palm, palm means this, can hold the destiny of the earth. यानी पूरा धरती का तकदीर तुम्हारे हथेली में है. Through your efforts. How? By your efforts. तुम्हारे कोशिशों से. Eternity is an endless time, but just 1 hour in your life can make a difference to the world forever. 1 hour in your life. Sometimes whatever you do, small efforts can create such great things which will help the world, which will help the earth. Okay, so we have to be keeping on working. Work hard. कोशिश करते रहो. Yes, try and keep on trying till we succeed. Great deeds can surpass the limits of time and space. They never die. Means great deeds, अपने कर्म. Yes, whatever we do can live on and on. We are not living forever, but what we do can live forever. Yes, that is why students, today we still remember all the great scientists. We remember such great people who have done great things for the earth. Yes, why do we remember them? Even though they have died long time back. Because they have done good things, good deeds for the earth. And that is why they never die. उन लोग अमर हो जाते. What means अमर? They live forever and ever in our minds, in our thoughts, in everyday life. Yes, you might be remembering great scientists who have done something for the earth, who have done some great things. We remember Mahatma Gandhi, we remember Baba Ambedkar, we remember so many. Yes, Vardhamana Mahavira, Jesus Christ, Gautam Buddha. They have done great things for the earth. We remember great scientists, like we were learning about APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, why? Because they have done good things for the earth, and that is why they remain with us forever and ever. They will never die. Although they have died, but their words, their deeds, उन लोग के कर्म, उन लोग के जो काम किए हैं वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहते हैं. And that is why students, we tell that it surpass the limits of time. Surpass means what? It keeps on going. Yes, there is no limit. Now, even if we, after we die, if we do something good for the earth, we do something good for our family, we will never be forgotten. And that is why the writer here, yes, William Blake, in his poem, yes, in this small poem, 4 lines, is giving us so much of message. Yes, as we learn this lesson, we will learn so many things in nature that is motivating us. What means motivating? Encouraging us. Okay, so we will go to the lesson. Yes, and pay careful attention, students, because this is a lesson for each and every one of us. It is a lesson for us to learn, to remember, to implement. What means implement? We have to do it for ourselves. Begin it. Keep on trying, keep on trying. Never tell, oh, I'm defeated. Never feel that you are defeated, because you have got so much of encouragement. And who is giving this encouragement? In this lesson, we will see nature.